Welcome. My name is Thomas Letford, and I'm here to share in this video the Tax Withholding Estimator. It's a tool that's on IRS.gov that you can use to help you to determine how much withholdings you should have taken out of your income. And it's a tool you can use to help clients figure out what they should have taken out of their income if they want to get back more of their money during this season, opposed to not knowing what it should look like and just guessing that when tax season come around and it's time to file, that they know what their refund gonna look like. You know what I'm saying? So this tax estimator is a tool that gives you an idea based on a series of questions and information that you will put in the system to give you an idea of what you should be looking at based on your raw situation. And so I'm gonna walk you through the tool and how it works using my own situation as an example of being a single person working one job, really have no credits to look forward to anything of that nature. And so just give you an idea of what this tool is and expose you to it. And maybe in your own free time you can go to IRS.gov and utilize this tool to help you to figure out what your withholdings should look like for you and for other, and as well as your clients, especially if you're a tax professional. Just another resource that can help you to separate yourself from your colleagues who may not be educating the clients this type of way. So I've been in this industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 as a business owner. And so I specialize in helping tax preparers position from working for a tax firm to starting your own tax business. I also have a partnership program that you can get started with me, and also do some tax consulting work for people who already got their tax business set up and running, but just need some guidance and support on what that looks like and what they should be doing inside their tax business, because they're new to having a business. Even though they worked in the industry, it's a whole nother world being a boss opposed to being an employee. And so you must know it all once you transition from working for a company to starting your own tax business. So I get support for people who already established with a business set up, and they just need some mentorship and coaching and guidance along the way that's going to help them with any questions or concerns they may have. It's priceless. That's what I bring to the marketplace. That's what I bring to the table. And so those are the things I do for my clients. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, so every time I upload a video or go live, you'll be notified. You get to follow me on my journey as I continue to be in this awesome industry of tax preparation. And so we're going to get into this tool of tax withholding estimator and walk you through how that works based on a simple scenario. And the first thing is filing status. I'm single. Next question, can you be claimed as dependent? No. Next question, do you plan on claiming independence? For me, no. Do you or will you hold a job this year with paychecks with federal income tax is regularly withheld? That should be yes. It says, how many jobs do you expect to hold? Me, 1. Will you receive income from a pension? No. The next question says, check all that apply other sources of income and payments. Nothing for me, so I go to next. It says, do you expect to hold this job the entire year? Yes. It says, how often you get paid? Weekly. The pay period, the most recent one was 14th. It says, enter total wages you expect to receive for the year, and it's $35,500. Any bonuses? No. Expected to receive later this year? None. My employer will withhold the appropriate taxes from this future bonus? No. Like I say, no bonuses. Using your last pay statement, enter the total federal income tax withheld year to date. And since we're looking at this just February, you want to do it realistically based on a projection of what you looking to have over the next 52 weeks. And so you basically get get an idea of that by looking at your paycheck stubs on what they're taking out in federal, and to give you an idea of what that looks like. So in this scenario, year to date, I'm gonna put in $5,500, and that's just because I'm projected for the whole year $5,500. And my most recent paycheck was, I want to say, $69. It says, do you or will you contribute to a tax deferment plan? No. I'll say, do you or will you contribute to? No. Hit next. It says, do you go to the next step? If you have any adjustments, then you hit see adjustments. In my case, no adjustments, so I'm going to go to the next step. I'm doing standard deduction opposed itemized. It says, any credits, no credits. Next. And so when I go through those series of things, expected tax withheld, $9,500, anticipated tax obligation, $25.78, estimated overpayment of $69.27, which means that's what my refund looks like. And the thing about this is you got to basically use this estimator like you already at the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put the information in, look at your check stubs, and gauge in real time what you're looking like, and that'll give you a better idea of how to use the estimator when it comes to what you're looking at for the season. Because if I had an actual check stub for federal, I would put in what they took it out at this point and what they took it out of my last paycheck stub, and that will give me a more clear picture of what I'm looking like. This here refund amount is bogus. I'm not going to get nothing close to that, and that's because when you use the estimator, you have to put in realistic numbers based on realistic information. With me just going through this here is just a guide, gives you an idea of how to use the estimator, and that's what this was for, FY purpose only. And so if you use it correctly, this will hopefully give you a general idea of what you're looking like for the 2020 tax season as it relates to getting ready to file for next year. And so in this video, this is just an overview of how to use the tax withheld estimator, which is on irs.gov. irs.gov is the all-to go-to resource that I use being a tax professional in this industry. And it's a whole lot of things that you can utilize and learn from just from the website alone, let alone being connected with other tax professionals who have experience and insight that you can learn from as well. You definitely want to utilize irs.gov website and just make it your all-to go-to resource first, along with utilizing other people. If you have some people in your life you can bounce things off of and go to help you to understand issues or situations that you may come across being in this industry. And so, like I said, the tax withheld estimator, irs.gov. See you in the next video.